Wow. Do anybody see what's going on into my grandfather land? Do anybody see what's going on? Everybody just sit back and just relaxing. Now, it can't work like that. They're saying Iran is getting ready to launch attack on the place they call Israel. You could imagine? Israel is bombing Syria for so long and nobody say anything. Syria is not doing anything. You could imagine? Syria is not doing anything when Israel bombed their place. And Iran is not doing anything when Israel killed their leaders. Nobody wants them to take revenge. You could imagine? Iran can't do this. Iran can't do that. So it gives Israel more opportunity to kill the Iranian leaders. So they expect Iran not to do anything when Israel attack them. But you know what is funny? For all these years, if I was going to fight those Israeli, the first thing I would do is blow up the airways. Here, you know where the airplanes are? The hangars? I would blow up all those hangars. Because you're not fighting with nothing beside the airplane. I can't see why these guys are not thinking. If you're going to be fighting, first thing you do, you got to read off the airplanes. And blow up the air run. Where the plane got to go, you blow up all of that place. Then they can move in. But the Hezbollah and they're not doing anything. They're just sending a few little homemade rockets that they made and I call it disturbing. Straight up. Find out where those planes are, man. Find out where the hangars are. That's your enemies, so it doesn't matter. Let me call you back. I'm doing a show right now. Yes. So, find out where those hangars are and blow up all the airplanes. If you don't do that, you're not going to do anything. Because the United States is going to back Israel. It doesn't matter what happened. Israel is going to be protected by the United States, as they call it. So what do you want to do? Israel can't do anything wrong. Can't you see, black people? Israel cannot do anything wrong. It doesn't matter what's happened, Israel cannot do anything wrong. They kill over 33,000 people and they have not done anything wrong. And the United States is not stopping them. China is not doing anything Russia is not doing anything. India is not doing anything. So they gave the red light, the green light to the white people in the land of Israel to do the killing. Because they're killing brown people. Or you want to say black people. They're not killing white people. And the 2 white people that get killed a few days ago, everybody get excited over that. They want to do this, they want to do that. When 33,000 already died. And nobody is not saying anything. If you don't think that is some bullshit, I don't know what it is. And they're bracing for the attack from the Iranian. They ain't gonna do nothing. I don't think so. Because they killed the scientists and they have not done anything. They killed the chief army leaders and they have not done anything. They fired through rocket in Iraq and they didn't blow up the Navy base or the Army base in Iraq. They don't blow up nothing. So they're scared and they ain't gonna do shit. And the Israeli know that. So by the Israeli know that, that's why Israel is doing what they're doing. Straight up. That's why Israel is doing what they're doing. If Iran was strong enough and China and India is behind them, they would blow up Israel a long time ago. Straight up. But they can't do anything. And once you can't do anything, that's it. A hungry man is a hungry man. He ain't got no food. And that's why he's hungry. You don't get it. You don't get it. So, I have to talk to you another time. So all I can say, black men gotta wake up.